Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. From 2025 Mama Awards to the 40th Golden Disc Awards, and from BTS to Stray Kids, a lot of things stayed high on the trending charts. In case you missed out on all that made news in the Korean entertainment industry, we got you sorted. Here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. There is no change in the schedule of the 2025 Mama Awards. Its organizers confirmed that the ceremony will take place as per plan despite concerns of postponement following the deadly Hong Kong fire.
The organizers stated through a statement that the 2025 Mama Awards will proceed as per schedule after queries about a change in the plan surfaced. The main ceremony will take place over 2 days on November 28th and 29th. This comes in the light of the major fire that broke out in Hong Kong's Tai Po district on November 26th. The organizing team held meetings on site and rejected claims of its cancellation. It, however, stated that the mega event this year will be subdued and solemn one.
BTS returned to dance rehearsals ahead of its comeback album and world tour. RM's latest Instagram post left ARMYs in a meltdown, especially seeing Suga in action.
BTS member RM gave ARMYs probably the happiest and most unexpected gift nobody saw coming. The leader posted a photo on his Instagram, presumably from a dance practice session. While the presence of all 7 members, including Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V and Jungkook became the high point, the sight of Kim Yoongi, aka Suga, was enough to send the fandom in a frenzy. In fact, it also suggested that BTS was fast gearing up for its big return and the preps were already underway. Suga's presence in the photos, who has kept a low profile, was the highlight for fans who've been longing to see the rapper back with full force.
Former Ardor CEO Min Hee-jin opened up about how Ban Si-hyuk persuaded her to join HYBE and the company's claim of her role in NewJeans' contract termination.
Former Ardor CEO Min Hee-jin revealed new details about her stint at Big Hit Music during the latest hearing for her lawsuit against HYBE. The hearing is part of her ongoing legal battle with the company concerning the confirmation of the termination of the shareholders' agreement. Min revealed that she was persuaded by Bang Si-hyuk after she left her role at SM Entertainment, asserting that since Bang wasn't confident about creating a girl group due to previous failed attempts, he tried to rope her in. In fact, she also claimed that Bang allegedly almost got down on his knees to recruit her. She further rejected HYBE's claim that NewJeans terminated its contract with Ardor under her instructions.
Blackpink member Rose will perform at Grammy Museum on December 4th. Her event, Spotlight Rose, sold out within seconds. Here's a report.
Blackpink's Rose is continuing her historic global run as she gears up for a one-of-a-kind performance at the Grammy Museum in Los Angeles on December 4th. With tickets selling out within seconds, the APT singer has once again proven her unmatched influence, skyrocketing popularity and ever-growing legacy as one of K-pop's most impactful global artists. The highly anticipated event, titled Spotlight Rose, will be a celebration of her artistic journey, musical identity, and her rise as a powerful soloist beyond her Blackpink fame. This comes as her nomination as the first K-pop act to compete in the major categories at the 2026 Grammy Awards has sparked global celebration.
Kim Se-ron's mother has released a public statement reiterating that actor Kim So-hyun dated her late daughter while she was a minor.
Kim Se-ron's mother has released a new statement reasserting claims that Kim So-hyun dated her when she was a minor. Her mother emphasized that the acquaintances of the late actress had given specific testimonies. She even included a transcript of the acquaintances' statements along with a claim of a memo written by Kim Se-ron on September 28, 2017 before Kim So-hyun's military enlistment. She insisted that the memo shows her daughter and the actor were already dating prior to that date. Kim So-hyun has been embroiled in a dating scandal with Kim Se-ron ever since she was found dead at her apartment on February 16, 2025.
Stray Kids are set to perform at Rock in Rio Music Festival on September 11, 2026. This makes it the first K-pop artist to headline the festival.
Stray Kids have become the first K-pop artist to headline the Rock in Rio festival. While the news leaves its fans immensely proud of their idols, it adds another feather to the cap of the boy band. The large-scale music festival is scheduled to be held from September 4th to 7th and September 11th to 13th, 2026 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and Stray Kids will perform on September 11th. This makes Stray Kids the first K-pop artist to headline 5 different international music festivals, the most for any in history. They've previously headlined Lollapalooza Paris in July 2023, iDays Milano and BST Hyde Park London in July 2024 and Lollapalooza Chicago in August 2024.
Blackpink, Stray Kids, aespa, TXT and 17 along with Jin, IU and G-Dragon are set to compete at the 40th Golden Disc Awards. Here's a report on its nominations.
The organizing committee for the prestigious 40th Golden Disc Awards announced the nominees for the Digital Song Division, Album Division and Rookie Artist of the Year. Songs and albums that released between early November 2024 and early November 2025 became eligible to get nominated this year. Among those who made it to the final list were K-pop groups like Blackpink, Twice, aespa, 17, TXT, Stray Kids, ENHYPEN, LE SSERAFIM and more. Soloists including Jin, G-Dragon, IU, Baekhyun and Jennie are also vying for top honors. Cottis, Heart to Hearts and Kiki are among those listed for Rookie Artist of the Year. The 40th Golden Disc Awards will be held at the Taipei Dome on January 10, 2026. It is set to be hosted by Sung Si-kyung and Moon Ka-young.
Veteran artist Lee Sun-jae passed away at the age of 91. He was known as one of the longest-serving Korean actors as he continued working even at an advanced age.
The news of Lee Sun-jae's demise was confirmed by his family members. The reason behind his death is still unknown. Reports of his ill health surfaced in 2024. Lee was supposed to have stage performances in October and was unable to attend the Korea PD Award ceremony in April this year. Lee did a total of 140 works, which included minor roles. His projects include titles such as Donggui Bogum, See You Again, Men of the Bathhouse, Age of Warriors, Land and Mom's Anger.
Cottis has an official fan club. The rookie boy band announced the name through its Weverse. Its fandom will be now called Choir.
Cottis, big hit music under HYBE's rookie boy band comprising of 5 members Martin, James, Joohoon, Songhyun and Kyunho revealed the name of its fan club Choir on November 24th through a statement and even explained the meaning behind it. The day also marked the completion of 100 days of the band's debut. As per the statement, the name brings together Kor from Cottis and meaning those who stand together, while also echoing Kor, the fans who support Cottis with the deepest love and passion. Behind K-pop royalty BTS, along with Tomorrow X Together or TXT, ENHYPEN and ILIT.
For hold on, is that BTS member Jin in the newly launched K-drama Dynamite Kiss? Here's why fans think so.
Dynamite Kiss is getting a lot of audience appreciation. As the Netflix show continues to soar in ratings, there's more that's grabbing viewers' attention, and it's something nobody saw coming. The Jang Ki-young and Ahn Yoon-jin starred K-drama got a BTS connection, but there's a catch. Soon after the show premiered, audience declared a striking resemblance between actor Kim Moo-jun, who plays the second lead, and BTS member Jin. Many were quick to even post reactions on social media about how they initially believed it was indeed the K-pop idol. Do you think they look similar? Let us know in the comment section.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.